To be exact, we got the dishwasher in February 4, and guess what? Today is just March 2, and it's already having problems. Parang the other day, if I'm not mistaken, yesterday I didn't use it because last Sunday there was an error message E3. And according sa manual, when there's E3, it means nag-overheat yung dishwasher. And then today, I have an error message E4, which means nagkaroon ng overflow at hindi na nadedetect ng dishwasher basically yung level ng water inside it. Kaya ang advice is to call a repairman. It's not even 1 month and it's broken. I mean, I understand it. Washing the dishes. Actually, I'm not even overusing it. I'm only using it once a day. And iniipon ko talaga yung mga plates and forks and mugs, glass sa gabi. And that's when I wash it. And then yung mga big loads like yung pans, rice cooker, yung mga ganun, I wash it myself. And you know, still with my hands, and unbelievable, but because talagang sira agad siya. Good thing I didn't throw the box yet, because I have this feeling that we really have to wait it out and give a better review, not just the unboxing itself, because I did unboxing and you fell from the couch. My daughter did. I did an unboxing. And then I noticed, and there was no issues in the first 2-3 weeks, or 2 weeks and a half. Wala namang naging issues. It's just that it gave up so quickly. So, sabi ni JC, humarap na agad ako ng kapalit, meaning bumili agad ako ng kapalit, and I'm like, we have to return this thing, you know, because I don't know how to dispose this, and they need to fix it, and I don't know, it's just easy to break, or maybe it's just a unit that we got. But the point is, I'm always using Eco. If not Eco, Rapid, and those the two things, because I noticed that the dishwasher could tend to be too hot, around 60 Celsius or 70. But with Rapid, it's just around 30 something. So, alam mo yun, ina-alternate ko yung dalawang modes of washing. But still, it didn't last long. I'm gonna show you a video of how it looks, how it sounds. So, you know, if you have the same problem with your Toshiba dishwasher. So, may iwasan natin. So, let's go ahead and check it out. This is our dishwasher. I removed it because it's making that awful sound. So, I'm gonna let you hear it. There you go. It's just blinking. It has that beeping sound and rumbling sound inside. Oh, noisy dishwasher and noisy kid.
Let's make apples!
The dishwasher is broken so quickly. It's making that error sound. So, goodbye, dishwasher.